Troubleshooting and maintenance are necessary to ensure your solution stainless steel sprayer operates at peak performance. This video will go over some common issues and how to resolve them. You'll be able to resolve many issues with the included replacement Viton seal kit and general maintenance. The kit includes a gasket, a check valve, and several different seals. These can be used to replace seals in the cylinder assembly or the spray wand. If your spray tank is unable to build up or hold pressure, you'll need to examine the cylinder assembly. There are 3 parts you want to check to ensure whether or not the cylinder assembly is working. Check the gasket that is located just underneath the brass lid, around the pump body. Look for any tears and make sure that it is sitting under the lid correctly. Examine the check valve located at the bottom of the cylinder. Look for any warping or if it's misshapen. Also check for tears and that it is sitting flush with the assembly. To remove the check valve, you may need the assistance of pliers. Finally, open the cylinder by gripping the pump body and the lid handle. Then unscrew the body from the lid. Inside, you'll find the piston attached to the lid handle and another seal at the bottom. If any seal is torn or damaged, simply replace the old seal with a new one included in the kit. If all seals are intact, you can check the pump body itself for any damage. If you're noticing significantly reduced spray pressure during application, then there may be debris blocking the waterway somewhere in your sprayer. First, make sure your tank is capable of building and maintaining pressure. If the tank can depressurize, then you know the issue lies elsewhere in the system. Check common hotspots for debris and buildup. Unscrew and take apart the spray tip. Rinse it out with running water. Unscrew the round handle on the spray valve and check the poly strainer basket inside. As a final point of check, undo the top brass nut on the spray tank to access the siphon tube and run water through it. To avoid debris or buildup, be sure to triple rinse your sprayer after each use. If you've noticed water leaking out of your sprayer during application, you'll need to examine the sprayer's parts closely to identify the cause of the issue. With water in a pressurized tank, spray water where it won't disturb anything and observe your sprayer for leaks. Leaks typically occur along the wand, the spray valve, or in any connection made between the spray tip and the tank. Identify where the leak is taking place, then take apart the appropriate connections to look for any damaged seals, debris, or other damaged parts. Seals may be replaced with the included kit, however, other damaged parts may need to be replaced. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.